If you need to get a job done fast and you're not really concerned with perfection, you can block sand and finish sand at the same time. Normally, you'd use a block with 120, 150, or 180 to get it perfectly straight, prime again, and finish sand with a DA and maybe 240 or 320, or by hand with 400. I've never had an issue spraying over 220. It's coarse enough to block sand with and fine enough to paint over, especially if you seal or use a sealer before you paint. First, we'll hit it with a light coat of Spray Bomb Black just so we can see better. It's called a guide coat. You can block sand with this type of DA, but it does bounce around a bit. The palm sanders, they don't bounce so much. When block sanding and finish sanding at the same time, just keep the DA nice and flat. You know you're finished block sanding and finish sanding when there's no more Spray Bomb Black paint left. This is all smooth, down to 220, 240, something like that. We'll seal it before we paint, just in case we have a little filler or bare spots showing. All the body lines and difficult stuff you can get by hand. At this point, we can seal it in paint or even hit it with a very thin coat of primer if you don't have any sealer and paint. I hope you enjoyed this video on block sanding and finish sanding at the same time. If you did and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.